Greetings, dearest souls. The connection you make is a gift of yourself. When you reach out to someone and more than just say hello, but just say what's in your heart and allow that energy to flow. That is truly expressing your God essence. So consider that as a way of greeting, knowing that each connection you make is showing a piece of your awesome soul to another awesome soul. Then look at them for what they are and feel the joy of connection. Consider that as a way of greeting. What we like to do now is to offer you an energetic transmission along the lines of opening up your soul. We're going to do our best with whatever the channel can do to open up his soul, to send the frequencies that as you watch this video, you will just receive the heart soul opening and carry that with you throughout your day. As you share it with more people, it'll cement itself within you. So let us begin. Please invoke your sacred self. Please bring in your team. If you talk to Jesus, God, angels, whomever, bring them in to be with you now. And just affirm that you are opening up your soul and opening up your heart space to receive connection, and that you will carry this forth through the world and give connection, raising the vibration of yourself and everyone you meet. And so it is. Please receive. Thank you, sweetest soul. During the transmission, the channel was remembering the Christmas tale of the Grinch whose heart grew 2 sizes. Did you feel it? Maybe you can laugh and joke and say, hey, my heart grew 2 sizes today. I've opened up and received from spirit. And now as I meet people, I give freely from my heart to theirs. If you could let your defenses down and feel those other people you meet, yes, even the people who are across the desk from you in a business situation, or in line at a grocery store, or in traffic honking at you, just let that fields connect to those around you. And just joke, "Oh, my heart just grew another 2 sizes right now." And feel it, love it, express it, be it. And this is how you will grow into your magnificence. Thank you for receiving this transmission. Thank you for sharing it with all you meet. And most important, thank you for being the magnificent soul you are. Many blessings to you.